Welcome to this week's African Agri Overview. This week we look at how next year's Zambian election can impact the maize market. Proudly brought to you by Collateral Management International and Zematic Irrigation Systems. The latest maize spot price in Lusaka, Zambia traded as follows. Maize traded on $200, wheat on $515, soybeans on $520 and soy meal also on $520 per metric ton. Remember, if you'd like more detail on these markets and what's driving these price movements or become one of our sponsors on this video, be sure to get in touch with us now. Collateral Management International, or CMI, works across the continent, helping banks and other financiers keeping their commodities secure and well managed. With over a decade of experience, they're known for their reliable storage solutions, trusted staff, and professional stock monitoring and inspection services. CMI helps make sure everything runs smoothly and securely. CMI, your trusted collateral manager in Africa. And with that, let's hand over to Jacques Pinaar, our regular market analyst, for this week's update on the grain markets.
Welcome all viewers. This week we look at the Zambia maize market and how their bumper expected harvest and government intervention could impact regional flows and prices. Before we look at our maize balance sheet forecast, we feel it is important to analyze potential government involvement in the market. Zambia has elections next year, August. Government's typical modus operandi when elections are close is to keep farmers happy by paying high maize prices when buying for the strategic reserve and to keep consumers happy by keeping maize meal prices relatively low. How does the government keep maize meal prices under control? Limit commercial maize exports to keep maize prices in check and or supply strategic reserve maize to the market at below market price levels, i.e. subsidizing. The FRA government procurement arm early May announced they will buy up to 1 million tons of maize between May 1 and October 31. Indications the FRA was only allocated a budget to buy 540,000 tons and the market do not expect they will buy more, rather less due to potential funding constraints. They have announced their buying price this week at 6,800 kwacha per ton or $258 per ton at depots across the country, which is 30% above the current market price in Lusaka. We expect government will also be keen to support farmers for the next crop to harvest from May-June 2026. Therefore, it is likely they might need to distribute a significant portion of what they buy this year before they take in the 2026 crop. These potential actions could have a significant impact on price trends the next 12 months. Let's look at the 2025-26 balance sheet, which covers the period May 2025 to April 2026. We have used the most recent government maize production forecast of 3.7 million tons. The Zambian government's track record for maize crop forecast quite accurate. We have penciled in an annual consumption number of 2.7 million tons, up 17% on last year due to less expected load shedding and prospects maize meal exports to the southern DRC could resume. The market does not expect government will allow significant maize exports the next 12 months due to next year's elections, but relatively confident maize meal exports could be allowed. That said, government has not lifted the ban on maize or maize meal exports yet, and no communication from them in this regard. It is virtually impossible to prevent informal maize exports to Malawi while Malawi is expecting a deficit year due to porous borders. We have included 300,000 tons of maize exports in our forecast. This will leave ending stocks at around 900,000 tons, which includes the government's strategic reserve. We assume 500,000 tons, i.e. 400,000 tons excluding the reserve. This is a large number. Given what we have discussed, let's look at potential price trends. Current maize price in Lusaka around $200 a ton. government through the FRA expected to start buying in July at a price of $258 a ton, as indicated above. See the brown line. In the unlikely event exports of maize are allowed, we expect it will be focused on the Zimbabwe market, where current export parity ex Lusaka is around $250 a ton. See the blue line. Take note, the Zimbabwe government has closed their borders for maize imports June 1 and only expected to reopen in 3 or 4 months' time. Given the healthy Zambian maize balance sheet, the market believes lifting of the ban on maize meal exports is essential to support prices above the $200 per ton price level, despite government's plans to buy significant volumes at attractive prices. If maize exports are also allowed, price support likely to grow further. Next week, we will look at the Zimbabwe maize market and in particular the potential impact of the recent closure of borders for maize imports. Remember, quality information improves decision making. Contact us for more detailed, tailored information.
Thanks, Jock. Always interesting. Now is the time to update your driveline. Get Zamatic gearboxes, motors, coupler kits and wheels at a special offer, available while stocks last. Contact your nearest Zamatic dealer for a quote today and invest in a system for the future. Grow with Zamatic. A big thank you again to our sponsors Collateral Management International and Zamatic Irrigation Systems for making this content possible. If you're interested in also becoming one of these sponsors on this videos or getting more detailed market reports, contact us today. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe. Thank you for watching and don't forget to join us again next week for more insights and updates on the African grain markets.